Okay. Okay, sasa nataka kufanya hii tulisema nifanye open the eyes of my heart Lord kwa kia F sharp. So F sharp ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Ndio scale. So inaanza hivi. The chords I'm going to use ni 1, that is 1 3. Tuenda kutumia tena 4 5 6 2 na 5 na 1. So inaanza hivi. So unaenda kucheza hivi. So kwanza nitakwambia majina, acha kwanza nicheze alafu nitaeleza. Let me first play and then I'll explain. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see. I want to see. Then open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. See you high lifted, shining in the light of your glory. My power and love, as we sing, holy, 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 holy. I want to sing. The last part, to see you high lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. As we sing, holy, 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 holy. That's simple. So it starts from 1, open. If you're playing another key, you can just use the numbers. 1, open the eyes of my heart, Lord. 3, open the eyes of my heart. I want to see. 4, I want to see you. To see you. 5, high lifted. 6, 4, shining in the light of your glory. 5, power and love. 6, as we sing to holy, holy, holy. Tana bado 5, holy, 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 holy. I want to see. So the last part, to see you high lifted up, 4, shining in the light of your glory. Power and love, as we sing to holy, holy, holy. Then under 1, holy, holy, holy. 5, holy, holy, holy. 6, holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. I want to see. That's only 1, C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. This side is B flat, no, F sharp. Then 3, open the eyes, C sharp, F, B flat, 3, open the eyes of my heart, Lord. I want to see 4, B, 2, B, 6, B, D sharp and F sharp. Then this is a B. No, back 4. I remain on the 4. I want to see back to 1. To see you 5. Lifted up 6. 4. Shining in the light of your glory. 5, 6. As we sing 4, 2. Holy, holy. Then 1. Holy, holy, holy. 5. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy. 6. Holy. Holy, holy, holy. I want to see. Just like that. So God bless you. Bye. Subscribe and ask for more. I'll play.